Hello folks, and welcome to the Proofpoint quick walkthrough here on how to add a customer and how to add users to that customer's account. Log in with your email address that you've provided us. Go ahead and hit sign in. If it's your first time logging in, we do not send passwords out anymore. Hit the forgot password and request your password for the first time. Once that's done, go ahead and put your password in and click sign in. You'll be presented at a screen here with all of your customers. More than likely, if this is a new account, you'll just have your top level reseller account present here. First thing you want to do is come down to customer management, click on customers, click add a customer. Email security, choose the package which you're going to put them on. Number of user licenses they're going to be in here. This is just a rough estimate. You don't have to be exact. Go ahead and hit next. Choose a company name. Put your address and information for that customer in here. Put your primary domain for the customer in here. It's going to check availability for that particular customer. You do not have to provide the information to a downstream end user unless you'd like. It'll automatically send the welcome message to that administrator. Go ahead and hit next. Once everything is complete, you accept the EULA, and you can either set it up for a trial or purchase immediately. I recommend setting it up as a trial initially. Go ahead and hit the trial button, and it'll automatically set up and configure that account for you. Once you've added your new customer to the platform, go ahead and click on that particular customer. It'll drill down to the level of that customer, so you can begin editing that customer. Come down to user management, click on users. To add a single user, click the add a user button. Put the first name, last name, the appropriate email address. If there's multiple domains on the particular account, select that particular account. Select their role, in this case an end user, and if you wish to have them opt in or out of customer notifications, go ahead and hit save. That will then create that user. You can do a CSV import of mass users if you're bringing it from another product by clicking on the import and sync button. Hit CSV import, and this will give you the option to be able to import users in a bulk. Click the CSV file format to get the appropriate CSV format. You also have the ability to do an Active Directory synchronization. Click on here, put the appropriate information into here, what to synchronize, and how to synchronize that. You can also do an Azure Directory synchronization as well. If you want to connect to an Office 365 account, same information, what to synchronize, and how to sync it. Once you're done each of these, hit save. You can also run the synchronization and save immediately. Thank you for joining us on this quick tour on how to add customers and users to your new platform. Thank you. Have a great day.